Hello everyone. Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the and/or rules in probability, two of the most important tools for calculating combined probabilities. Let's start with the OR rule. The OR rule is used when we want to find the probability that at least one of several events happens. The formula is P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. We subtract P of A and B because if both events can happen together, they get counted twice. For example, suppose we draw one card from a deck. Let event A equal drawing a red card and event B equal drawing a king. There are 26 red cards and 4 kings in a 52 card deck, but 2 of those kings are red, so P of A or B equals 26 over 52 plus 4 over 52 minus 2 over 52 equals 28 over 52 equals 7 over 13. So the chance of drawing either a red card or a king is 7 out of 13. Now let's look at the AND rule. The AND rule is used when we want to find the probability that 2 events happen together. The formula is P of A and B equals P of A multiplied by P of B, but only if the events are independent. For example, if we roll a die and flip a coin, P of rolling a 4 and getting heads equals 1 over 6, multiplied by 1 over 2 equals 1 over 12. If the events are not independent, we adjust the formula to P of A and B equals P of A multiplied by P of B given A. This means we multiply the probability of A by the probability of B happening after A has already happened. To summarize, a rule means for one event or the other, union of events. And a rule means for both events happening together, intersection. Always check if the events are independent before multiplying. And that's the basic difference between the and/or rules in probability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.